I'm Christine from Perego, and I'm going to demonstrate how to install the Primo Viaggio Nido in your vehicle without the base. You're going to first make sure that your vehicle is parked on level ground. Then you're going to place the car seat rear facing in the back seat of the vehicle. Adjust the handle to a forward position by pressing the gray buttons. And then the handle snaps into place. Make sure that the car seat is level by using the lines on the side of the car seat. You want them to be parallel to the ground. And you might have to readjust once you buckle the seatbelt in. Change your seatbelt to ALR by pulling the seatbelt all the way out. Take the lap portion of the belt and thread it through the belt guides on the handle. Take the shoulder portion of the vehicle belt and slide it through the European belt path on the back of the seat. Then you might have to get in the vehicle, but take the seat belt and snap it into the buckle. And then tighten. The angle of the car seat might change a little bit, so you might need to adjust it again. The car seat should not move more than 1 inch from side to side. And then you know you got a snug fit. And you're ready to go. Some vehicles don't have a long enough seat belt to allow you to use the European belt path. So you can use just the lap portion of the belt and thread it through the handles, the belt guides. And then snap the seat belt into the buckle. Take the shoulder part of it just behind the seat. Now, sometimes after you buckle it in, it changes the angle a little bit, so you want to again recheck it. Make sure that you're parallel to the ground. You want to press down on the seat to tighten the strap. Sometimes you might have to put a rolled towel or maybe a pool noodle in to get the right angle. Again, make sure that it doesn't move more than 1 inch from side to side. And you got a good fit.